Donald Trump made legal history in a Manhattan courtroom today as he took the defendant's seat for the start of his criminal trial. As CTV's Heather Wright reports, the biggest challenge so far, finding impartial jurors in a city that has a deep allegiance to the Democrats.
Trump is not above the law.
Day one of Donald Trump's hush money trial got underway this morning in Manhattan.
USA!
A familiar cast of characters greeted the former president outside the courthouse as history was made inside, with Trump the only former U.S. president to face a criminal trial.
This is an assault on America. Nothing like this has ever happened before.
Trump is charged with 34 counts of falsifying business records in relation to a $130,000 hush money payment his former attorney made to adult film star Stormy Daniels in the lead-up to the 2016 election. This is the first of 4 criminal prosecutions against Trump to make it to trial. Much of the morning was spent dealing with inflammatory comments Trump made over the weekend about his former attorney, Michael Cohen. The prosecution has asked for Trump to be found in contempt of court for violating a gag order barring him from attacking witnesses. That motion will be heard next week. Trump was warned by the judge he could be jailed if he misbehaves, disrupts the proceedings, or fails to appear in court throughout the trial, which could see the GOP's presumptive nominee testify in his own defense.
This case is as much for the courtroom as it is for the court of public opinion. And Trump is in the middle of an election year, and he will take the stand and he will talk to the American people and those undecided voters.
Trump was described as appearing to fall asleep at one point, while also smiling at potential jurors. Jury selection could last up to 2 weeks, with each juror expected to fill out a questionnaire that includes their education, opinions of Trump, and the media they consume.
They're going to be focusing on people that do not have strong views, too much to the right or too much to the left. They want more mainstream.
More than half the jurors in today's first group were dismissed almost immediately after indicating they could not be impartial. This trial could last up to 8 weeks, meaning Trump could be tethered to a courtroom making limited campaign appearances until early June. Omar.
Heather Wright in Washington tonight.